TripTic is an application for managing trip distance plus much more. A trip requires a to and from location, and if you want to record the trip to a log, you also require a date. To add a to or from date, tap the location button to the right of the text field, and this will bring up a selection list of your stored locations from your visible categories. More on this in a minute. If you have no visible locations, or if you wish to create a new location, tap the Current Location section and then tap Done. You're now given the option to alter the site name, and if you like, choose a category. Now choose to either save this new location to your selected category, or simply use it once for this trip only. You could also choose to search and enter either an address or a well-known site, then, as before, edit the name and category, and choose whether or not you wish to save the location for future use. Once a to and from location have been chosen, the route will be displayed on the map along with the distance and estimated time. On the toolbar at the bottom, choose whether or not you wish to display the walking or driving route. Choose whether or not you wish to display a standard or a hybrid map. Tap the detail list icon to the right of the distance to reveal step-by-step locations. Tap the email button to address and email directions to someone else. Once a date and optionally a comment have been entered, you can choose to log your trip. If you want the trip to be recorded as a return trip, tap the return switch. Tap the Save button to save the trip to your log. Note, if you wish to be able to track distances for a specific project, type in a unique word in the comment field for all of the project-related trips. Then, when you are viewing your trip log, as you'll see in a minute, you'll be able to filter by that word. Your preferences allow you to choose how you wish to record your distances and have the dates displayed. You can choose either metric, kilometers, or imperial, miles, for distance, and you can select one of the provided date options. The trip log gives you access to all of your recorded trips. Upon selection, the log will be filtered to display the current month and year. Tap the Date section to filter a different year or month. You'll also have the option to choose all years and all months. Tap either Driving or Walking to filter the list based on that travel mode. Enter a partial comment to filter the results further. And you can swipe from the right to left on a row to delete a specific log entry. Tap a row to be taken to the trip detail, where you'll be able to edit the date, comment, or one-way return designation, and then you can tap Update to save your changes. Tap the Email button to send an email off to someone else, and this will also include a tab-delimited file that can be edited in a spreadsheet showing all of your trips in your filtered list. The Manage Site section is where you can set up your categories and sites within them. Within the Site section, you can also choose to share a category with other TripTic users. Your default category is the Personal category. When you add a new site, it is the default category that is assigned. It cannot be deleted. You can add a new category by tapping the plus button on the toolbar. You can delete an entire category except for the Personal category by swiping from the right and choosing Delete. You can choose to make any category visible or hidden when making your trip selections by toggling the icon to the left of the category name. Tapping a category will present all of the sites within that category. You can add a new site in this category by tapping the plus button on the toolbar, and this will present a search view where you can type in the address of your site. Tapping out of the search field will locate the site on the map and present the site detail. On the site detail page, you can change the site name and category and then save it. You can delete a site by swiping from the right and choosing Delete. You can tap an existing site to be taken to the same site detail page where you can also edit the site name or category. Also, on the site page, you can tap the Map button on the toolbar to display all of your category locations placed on a map. To share your category of sites, tap on the Share button on the toolbar. If you own that category, you will be asked to provide further information, and it will be uploaded to the cloud for others to import. The Import Sites section displays all of the categories that have been shared by other TripTic users. You can add these shared categories to your own shared categories and supplement them with your own locations for that category. If you've already downloaded a category, the background of the row will be a light green. Tap a row for more detail about a category, including the number of locations stored within that category. Tap the Import button to import the category into your own set.